Sensex ends in the red and Nifty around 15,800. Bank, FMCG and IT among the top losers. And among the sectors, selling was seen in the bank, IT and FMCG name, while the mid-cap and small-cap indices ended in the red. Let's take a look at the closing bell report in detail and some top headlines. At close, the benchmark indices ended in the red, with Sensex down by 0.28% and the Nifty falling 0.32%. Rupee ends at record closing low at 78.97. After trading on the high side of the MCX for the 2 days in a row, gold and silver prices are trading on the lower side of the MCX. Gold futures recorded a marginal dip of 0.04% and silver futures recorded a downfall of 0.14%. The top gainers of the market were ONGC, India Cements, NTPC, GAIL and IOC, while the top losers included RBL Bank, HDFC Life, HUL, Torrent Power and IRCTC. Let's now take a look at some top stories. PVR restarts capex cycle, plans to open 125 screens in FY23. The company expects to complete the process of its merger with rival Inox Leisure during the current fiscal itself. Indigo announces additional frequencies between Delhi-Leh, Delhi-Srinagar and Lucknow-Patnagar effective from July 1st to July 15, 2022 respectively. Renesas Electronics Corporation, a Japanese premium supplier of advanced semiconductor solutions, today announced a strategic partnership with Tata Motors Limited. And Singapore International Arbitration Centre dismissed future plea seeking termination of arbitration proceedings between the group and American e-commerce major Amazon. Janus Paper and Boards has started commercial production of K-Craft papers at its new unit in Uttar Pradesh. The Muzaffarnagar unit has manufacturing facility for production of craft papers and duplex paper. So that's all for the day. Please take care and don't forget to log into Investonomics page on ICICIdirect.com, your guide to all things investment.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.